What's up guys? So we have a unit. Ang problema nito is he has this Ford C-Max. This is Ford C-Max. It's also 12 model. The problem here is the leaking matrix, or the what it is, the heater core of the matrix has a leaking. So it's located here. Obviously it has like wet coolant in here, and then so to change the matrix or the heater core system is inside here. So we're gonna open obviously this cover. This cover is only built up with the fasteners and everything, so we're gonna open it. I will show you what we are talking about, the heater core here. And you can see there is no space here, so we're gonna remove this cover. This is the heater core. It's a really pain in the ass to change, obviously, because of the vision. It's very so first thing first, I'm gonna show you. This is the heater core, or the matrix they call it. So this is in and this is out. So obviously the out here there is a heater valve which regulate the heating system. If you like, if you on the heater valve, you switch the heater, it will pass on to here, and then like that, and then this will coolant, the hot coolant will enter here, and then the fan will suction the heating, the warm frequency, whatever, and then bring it to the tubes that delivers into the system here. There are tubes here, panel tubes. Okay, as you can see, you have already see the heater core is in here, so that pipe there, 2 pipes, and that's very hard job. So this is the development here, guys. Obviously there are plastic fasteners here on the side that are covering up the system here on the center console. So as you can see, there's the coolant there, marks on the coolant. Inside here, inside the box, is the heater core. So that's basically, that's very weird design, and it's very hard to change it. As you can see, aside from here, outside also you have to like manipulate whatever you have system in there on the outside in the engine bay to get open up and get the connection out from there. So basically we need to do here first the outer casing of the heater cooler, and then we're gonna remove this bracket here first. The weirdest design of Ford engineering. So we open up the bracket here and still have more things to be taken out. God. So grabbing is kalit na to rin, no? So as you look, everything here is being removed. Side cover, center console. This is hard as it is. I prepare a clutch replacement than this job, because this job is very obviously very hard. Oh God. So guys, kind of messy, because we need to like do the freaking direct job the quickest way. So what we did, just cut off pipes here. Heater core, belongs to here. That one. So that's the quickest way. Instead of removing the center console and the dashboard and everything, that's the quickest way to do. Okay. And just pull up the pipe, because once this is inside connector, it's very hard to remove. Really hard. So just pull up the entire pipe, and that's connector that's coming from here. This is the thermostat housing here, that's going there and going inside to the firewall, the thing. So that's the quickest way, rather than to remove the, like I'll show you, rather than to remove all these things. That's very like a long process. We go to the shortest way, and the shortest way, that's the thing we do. Okay, so just squash this down like that, and then it will open. This is the bottom three of the heater core, or the housing of the heater core, obviously, and that's it. And then got some couple of screws that will be taken out. Okay, this was already removed by some guys, and then they put it back. So something like I don't know, we just check whatever, but I can see here, yeah. So that's the bottom three of the heater core. We only remove few bits, and that's it. And then again, just pull out the connectors here. From here, obviously you have to remove the battery and everything, battery tray as well. So here we have here two hoses, the inlet and outlet. Okay, for the thermostat, inlet and outlet. And then put the firewall there, and that's it. That's how the quickest way to remove the